Hello.
How ready are you to accept the award?
I'm never ready. Like I said last time also, my sister keeps saying, Didi, is your speech ready? And I've always said, don't anticipate or don't expect because you never know. It's been a great year at the movies for everyone. I think there have been some really nice performances, and until that award is in my hand, I never have a speech ready. I've never planned a speech.
Good evening, Deepika. You are looking, वो कहते हैं ना दीवा, वो सही में आप लग रहे हो आज.
Thank you.
ये क्या?
Where's my chocolate?
Yeah, it's with me.
Give.
नहीं, मेरे बात. नहीं.
I'm wearing. Oh God, I'm wearing Naeem Khan. I'm wearing Naeem Khan.
Can you tell me कुछ अलग तरह से तैयार हुई हैं आप? ज्वेलरी यहाँ होनी चाहिए थी, वो ऊपर है.
See, y'all are doing all these stories now of me saying that I dress like Hollywood actresses and all. So now forget it. Now I'm not saying anything.
तो यानी you are a Hollywood actress now.
Huh?
हाँ. अब आप नहीं कह रही तो यानी वही हो ना.
Huh? No, he's talking about something else.
No, I'm talking about you.
No. So I've always been styled by Anaita Shroff. You all know that. And so she's put the look together. We've liked the gown. She had this idea of doing this whole Mang Tika look, keeping it a little ethnic and ethereal. So hopefully it works.
दीपिका, लग रहा है कि सारी जो अभिनेत्रियों हैं उनसे सारा जो फोकस है वो पूरी इंडस्ट्री का आप पर आ गया.
क्यों?
ऐसा सारी सबकी लोगों की ये.
हाँ. So when you get this year, so what you expecting? I mean, कि क्या लगता है कि इस बार काफी लोगों को होप्स हैं कि बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस आपको ही मिलेगा.
Well, I hope so too. I've been nominated for all 3 of my films, 3 out of 4 films. So obviously I hope that I'll win. I think everyone who's nominated somewhere deep down inside obviously hopes that they will win. But like I was mentioning to her, it's not something that you plan. It's something that just, you know, if I win, then let's see.
दीपिका, you know शाहरुख से परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, इवन तो उन्हें चोट लगी हुई है थोड़े दिन पहले, तो आप क्या कहेंगे, शाम को कैसे देख रहे हैं?
I'm not surprised. In fact, the day the accident happened, he was back to set. He went to the hospital, got treated, came back. So I'm not surprised that he's performing today. I'm like I said, I'm looking forward to Ranveer's performance. I'm looking forward to Akshay's performance, and I'm looking forward to meeting Shah Rukh. I performed to what did I perform to? I performed to Khuda Jaane and Race 2 and Nagada Sanghol from Ramlila.
रिसेंटली आपने करण के शो पर कहा था कि आप और अनुष्का फ्रेंड हैं, लेकिन अनुष्का ने करण के शो पर कहा था कि शी इज नॉट फ्रेंड विद यू.
This is not Coffee with Karan, so I won't answer that question.
अरे रुको तो बुलाना तो पड़ेगा ना. नहीं.
What are your Valentine's?
My Valentine, you be my Valentine.
Lucky to be say yes.
You're thinking?
No.
You're thinking? Forget it.
No.
My Valentine is one of my brand commitments actually. I've been associated with one of these brands for the last 6 years now, and so yeah, I'm going to be spending the whole day with them.
रिसेंट रिपोर्ट्स कहते हैं कि आपने सिंघम 2 के लिए बहुत हाई कोट किया था, इसकी वजह से वो फिल्म आपको नहीं मिली और वो करीना को गई है.
No, that film was never offered to me in the first place.
दीपिका, हम लोग आशा कर रहे थे कि इस साल आप शायद सलमान खान के साथ फिल्म करेंगे, लेकिन वो कुछ हो रहा है या किस तरह से?
No, doesn't look like it's happening.
तो फिर वैलेंटाइन पे मतलब सिर्फ आप उसका ही शूट करेंगे कमिटमेंट का?
Yes, and I'm shooting for Happy New Year simultaneously.
Okay.
You said one question, I came back.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. अच्छा, वैलेंटाइंस विश तो करिए. You like every viewer is your.
You I'm not talking to because I asked you and you said no. So I'm very disappointed.
No.
Thank you.